In Forex, we call position size and lot size the amount of money you are investing in the trade to get what you want. But crypto is a little bit complicated because of the leverage. So I'm going to be taking my time to explain what position sizing is. Some of you have $200, but you can even make $100 per day or even up to $300 per day. So if I have $200 right now, I'll not just go and use all the $200 to take a trade, because we are trading derivatives, perpetuals. We are trading the value of the underlying asset. You can't use all your money to invest in a token, adding leverage to. You need to have certain buffer. You need to have certain amount of money still left in your trading account, so that if the trade is in drawdown or the trade is not yet in profit, you'll be able to survive these market fluctuations. Now, looking at my screen right now, you see this was a trade that I shared with my community members. Like I said, I don't only teach how to trade. Sometimes I also share my trades with my students. But the main goal here is for you to be able to just get up, take your smartphone or PC and make your own money. So when you join us, I usually take you through a one-on-one session. You also join the community. People are from Dubai, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, any part of the world, Australia. We are all trying to do the same thing to cash out. Now, if you observe, like I said, I'm on a 4-hour time frame of virtual. This trade I shared it, that was on the 7th August, right? Today is 8th August. That's just about 72 hours now. That means this trade has been active for the past 2 days. Usually, some people think when you are taking a trade, it should just go straight and hit your take profit. No. There are a lot of things happening. For example, this coin is around 200 million market cap, meaning there are some people buying it, some people selling it, there are some people sending it to exchanges, and all these things are happening at once. So you don't expect to just enter a trade and it will just go flip and hit your take profit within 4 hours. Even today is Saturday, Monday to Friday, the market is usually busy. So meaning if you take a trade within 4 hours, you know whether you made the right decision or the wrong decision. Now, what I will do is I'll just make sure I'm on the TradingView. Let's go and select a coin so that we can be able to calculate our position. So I'll just select a coin from CoinMarketCap. Okay, usually I use the trending section so that I can get a coin that is having volume and a lot of people are trading it. So I'll just scroll down. Okay, so let's see, we are going to find a coin here. Okay, let's see. Right now, Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Bitcoin is currently consolidating downward, meaning if we are selecting a coin, we are thinking about selling. Any coin that we are going to select right now and it's going to be a buy coin, we are not trading it. Now, I've seen a coin called OP Optimism. Usually when I'm trading, I don't want to select a coin that is around from 1 to 100. Meaning if you start counting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, the coin should be around the 200th position or 150th position. So let's see if we can get a coin here. Okay, so I've seen a coin called the SYN. Okay, we open it. Anytime you find a coin and you are going to trade it, don't just get up and start trading a coin. At least do research about the coin. Go to CoinMarketCap, read about the coin. So we can see this coin is ranked as the 78th position. So we'll go to our trading view. But before we go there, let's scroll to the market session. So the coin is available on Binance, Bybit, and OKX. So I'll now enter the name of the coin here, SYN. Then I'll add .P, right? Okay, so this is the current situation of the coin. Now let's just assume that we are thinking that this coin is going to trend downward. It's going to go down. Now I will need to identify my support and resistance. If you are in my community, I've already taught you what support and resistance is. So we select the horizontal line. We can say that this is our support level. Now we select the nearest resistance. The nearest resistance is here. So I'll select the forecasting and measurement tools at the left hand side, select short position, then I'll come and put it here at the entry bar. You just right click on it. Now I'll just drag this. Make sure that you always give it a briefing room. Like I said, we are not the only one trading. So I'll just scroll this down. Okay. Now if I scroll it down, I usually target 1:3, meaning if we are risking $30 or $20 or $50 on this trade, if it goes well, we are going to make 3 times of the money. So I'll just double click. Now if I double click, I'm going to enter the capital that I have in my trading account. So let's go back to Binance, then we'll go to our features. Okay, USDT futures. Now on the USDT futures, you guys can see that we have a capital of $232. So we are going to enter the same amount in TradingView, $232. For the risk, we are using 3%. So this is the most important part of the tutorial. Have you seen that the risk here is 3%? So now, if we want to take this trade, we are going to make sure that the amount of money we are investing in Binance is 3% of our capital. If we even scroll down, you can see we have profit level and the stop loss. Now, for us to calculate our position size, we'll go back to our Binance, right? Then we'll change the coin to SYN. SYN. We select the coin this way. Now, look at the right hand side. You can see we have a place here called the order box. So the order box contains limit orders and market orders. Always change it to market orders. The only difference here is we are using leverage, meaning the amount in 3% you are using on TradingView is going to be multiplied times 25. If you are using 25x leverage, observe at the top right hand side, my maximum is usually 25, and I only use 25 on a long position. So I'll only use long position if I'm thinking the market will go up. So I'll use 25, but this time around we are selling the coin, so we'll use 20x leverage. Now if we are using 20x leverage, we need to calculate our PNL. That's the position. So I'll just, if you observe at the account, we have plus over equal to. Click on it. Now if I click on it, you just have to select the PNL calculator. Okay, that's what we call the position sizing. You select the PNL, leverage 20x. Now we are going to use the entry price and the exit price and the liquidity, the quantity. This is very important. The quantity is the same as the amount here. The QTY, that is 493. So 493, I'll come to my entry. I'll put in the entry price of the coin on TradingView. So we'll double click here. Then we'll copy. We have our entry being 0.1533. Okay, 0.1533. 0.1533. Then our exit price. So for now, we will calculate our stop loss first. We'll calculate our stop loss first. So my stop loss is the same as the stop loss level. Okay, we'll copy the price. The price here is 0.1674. 0.1674. 0.1674. Right? Then the quantity. So the quantity is the green part. Have you seen here we have some written numbers? Okay, if you can observe, we have some written numbers, which is QTY, which is equal to 493.617. So you are going to enter these numbers. This will give you your exit price if the market doesn't go in our favor. How much of our capital we are going to lose if we are using 20x leverage. Okay, so I'll go 493. So we have 493.617. Let's go back and check the numbers again. Have you seen the numbers? 493.617. Okay, then I'll confirm. Okay, so if I confirm, you guys can see that they are saying if this trade doesn't go in our favor, right, we are going to be losing $45. So if we use 20x leverage with this amount, we are going to lose $45 from our account. Now we are going to cancel this exit price and put our take profit inside. Now go back, double click. This is our profit price level, our take profit. On TradingView, the take profit is usually written as profit level. So we will copy this number 0.1104. So we have these numbers here, 0.1104. We confirm. So have you seen now? They are saying that we are going to make a profit of $138, meaning if I am going to take this trade and I'm using 3% of my capital with a leverage of 20x, at the end of the day, our profit will be $138 should in case this trade hit our targeted price, that's 0.1104. So this is how you calculate your position. Okay, please, when it comes to day trading, you need to know the amount you are going to risk on a trade to get the amount that you need. For me, I use 1:3 risk-reward ratio, meaning if I am risking $100 on a trade, I'll be making $300 back. But we are also using leverage. So you always need to be thinking about this before you even take a trade. So it's not about having $1 million account, having $1,000 or $10,000 account. Anytime someone comes to me that, oh, Askad, I want to learn trading, I usually tell them that you can start with $10 once you pay your tutorial fee. And I also want to explain this to you guys. There is nothing in this world that is free. If something is in this world and it's free, just run away. Sooner or later, it's going to cost you. Some of you will start trading instead of you to get a mentor or a group that is actively trading. You go and watch YouTube videos, then you start trading. At the end of the day, you are going to lose money. The money that you are supposed to pay and learn, you would rather lose it to learn sense. That's why anytime someone joins my trading community, within 1 week, they start making money and they don't even lose much, because at the end of the day, look at what I've just shared with you. It can take you 5 years to 10 years before you even understand what position sizing is. And this is just a little bit of risk management. Now that you know position sizing, in our next tutorial, we are going to be talking about market orders and limit orders. If you are new to my channel or my page, my name is Askanda. I travel the world and trade, and also teach people how to do the same thing. So if you are interested, we have a WhatsApp group where we usually trade from Monday to Friday. I'm giving you this book. Make sure you go and download it on Amazon, or you can buy the physical book. It will help you in your trading journey. The name of the book is called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book has really helped me around 2019, 2018. So if you are learning how to trade, whether Forex, crypto, stocks, or indices, make sure you read this book. So see you in the next tutorial. Take care and hit the like button. You can also share the video to a friend.